I am Dr. Shraddha Singh, and I have done my PhD in psychology from Lucknow University and MBA from University of Louisville, Kentucky, USA. I have worked in the research, academics as well as the corporate sector. I have taught at the Amity University also in the IBAS department for quite some time. Currently, I am working with Planet Spark as a public speaking and creative writing expert over there. And 1.5 months ago, I joined OGD Computer Education for O.A.P program, and today I have successfully completed it. I would like to thank my instructor, Sarvesh sir, for being an excellent guide all through. And the entire team of OGD has been very supportive and very cooperative, and they have accommodated my needs and requirements whenever I requested them for it. Thank you.